are breaking free now wherever we go.
Don't you ever let it go, it's over. 'Cause you know I think I'll lose it better. You bipolar roller coaster. Say twice. Remember when you shut the fuck up in it? I'm still a little alone. When I say no, no means hell no. I play it so low, know you want my worst hangover. You find drama when you go low. Baby, I won't cry over you. You got all the questions, not the answers. Bipolar roller coaster. Say, twice, say.
Don't you understand? You just on my time. Don't you understand? I don't even like boys. Don't you understand? You just on my time. Don't you understand? Just give it up, no. Just give it up and go down. Give it up, no. I can't believe you got down. Give it up, no. I can't believe you so down. 'Cause we know now, love it, gives a reason. Just give it up, no. Just give it up and go down. Give it up, no. I can't believe you got down. Give it up, no. I can't believe you so down. 'Cause we know now, love it, gives a reason.
We can do better. Oh yeah, we can do better. I know it hurt bad, your mom left you dead when you were a little girl. You think I'm gonna leave cause history repeats, we've seen it around the world. Well, all that we're told is this, so get old, we'll cheat and we'll both get hurt. Against all the odds, we'll pray to the gods that this love works. When all we see is bad blood and mistakes, all we hear is sad songs about heartbreaks. And no matter how long it takes, we're not gonna give up. We can do better. We can do better. If nothing lasts forever, we can do better. Things can get rough, we might drink too much and say things we shouldn't say. Forgive and forget before we go to bed, and we gonna be okay. Some people pretend it's not gonna end and then up and walk away. But that isn't me, I'm not gonna leave, I'm here to stay. When all we see is bad blood and mistakes, all we hear is sad songs about heartbreak.